Are you shocked to hear that fish can fall from the sky? I bet you didn't know this weird weather fact. Stick around because it gets even crazier. In a town called Yoro, Honduras, people see actual fish rain down from the clouds at least once a year. It's so normal there, they even have a festival for it. Scientists think storms suck up fish from rivers, dropping them miles away. Imagine walking outside and dodging flying fish instead of raindrops. Did you already know about this fishy weather? Drop your thoughts below and follow for more facts that will mess with your head.